Welcome to my channel, friends. In this video I am going to talk about SeedR alternative. So SeedR is a very great website to download torrents from, and I have found that many people were trying to buy the premium offers of SeedR, but they think that the plans of SeedR are expensive for them. So these are the plans of SeedR website. You can see these three plans, and what I did was that I searched on Google for similar websites like SeedR, and I have found pretty awesome website. So I'm going to share those websites with you. So one of the website is the link of this website is given in the description below. You can click on that link and create your free account with this website. This website is a multi-link generator, and it also is a seed box. So when you log into your account, you will see your dashboard like this. So what you need to do now is that you need to go to the seed box section of this website. When you create your free account with this website, you will get 4 GB of torrent download for free. So you can download 4 GB of torrent files from this website every day for free. Like in the SeedR, you get 2 GB of free storage, but you can extend your storage by referring to your friends. So initially you get 2 GB, and if you refer to 4 of your friends, you can upgrade your storage to 4 GB. But the website that I'm showing you here, you do not need to do anything. You simply create your free account and you will be able to download torrent files of size up to 4 GB. So as you can see here, I have a lot of torrents. I have been downloading a lot of torrents, and if you are a person who do not like to download a lot of stuff from torrents, then you do not need a premium plan of this website. But as you can see, I have been downloading a lot of torrents lately. So what I did is that I purchased a premium plan of this website. So the amazing thing is that the premium plan of this website are way cheaper than Seedbox. So here are the plans of this website. You can see these are the 4 plans of this website, and no matter which plan you choose, you will get 2 TB of storage, and you will be able to download 300 GB per day. Alright, you can see all the stats here that you will get when you upgrade your subscription of this website. Unlike SeedR, you get 1 TB of storage for $19, but here you are getting the double the storage in a way cheaper price point. You can see you can purchase any of these plans and you will get 2 TB of storage and all the things listed here. You can see right here. So I have been a premium member of this website for several months, and I liked this website very much, and now I have purchased the 6-month plan 2 times. So there was no 1-year plan, so I purchased the this 180 days plan 2 times. So that is why I have these many days in here. So the next website that I want to show you is this is another alternative to SeedR website. You can use this website if you want to, but I would not recommend to use this website because it is slightly expensive than the website that I have previously shown you, and you will not get support from this website as well, because if you face some problems, you will not get support from this website at all. But from the website that I have shown, this website is an amazing website. If you face any problem, you will get your problem resolved within 24 hours. And I have been using this website for several months, and I have not faced any single problem with this website. So that is why I would highly recommend you this website, and if you want to you can use this website, and if you want to use the another website you can use that as well. But I made this video for people who were looking for an alternative to SeedR, which is very cheap and works flawlessly. So this is the website I would recommend to you, and you can create your free account with this website and get started. And I'm sure you will like this website after using it. And if you face any problem with this website, then you can let me know through the comment section below. So that is it guys, thanks for watching my video and have a nice day.